Let's talk about FHA loans. Did you know you can purchase a home loan with as little as 3.5% down? Are you concerned about a few dings on your credit? An FHA loan could help you become a homeowner. My name is Justin Cotton with Cornerstone Home Lending, and I'm so excited to talk about the perks an FHA home loan has to offer. I talk to so many people who want to become a homeowner, but between low credit and not enough for down payment, they are discouraged. Thankfully, an FHA might just be your ticket towards homeownership. Let's talk about the perks. You don't need a large down payment. FHA only requires a down payment of 3.5%. That's way more doable than 20%. Your down payment could come from savings, a gift from family members, or from your 401k. You don't need perfect credit. FHA has some of the most forgiving loan guidelines. FHA allows a 580 FICO score and goes up from there. Even with a few bumps on your credit, you could still get your dream home. Also, FHA allows for some flexibility when it comes to bankruptcy, unlike other loan programs. And lastly, FHA guidelines are more lenient when it comes to a debt-to-income ratio. That means likely you can still qualify for a home if you have student loan or medical debt. You don't need to pay all of the closing costs. With an FHA loan, the seller can pay double the closing cost. So the seller can pay up to 6% closing cost and prepaids, unlike other loan programs. That means you save money in the end. Your agent will need to negotiate this, so make sure you mention this to them. You don't need to be a first-time homebuyer. A lot of people think the FHA loan program is just for first-time homebuyers, but it's actually not. While it's definitely popular with first-time homebuyers, you can use an FHA loan even if it's your 10th home. Are you curious if the FHA loan program is right for you? I'm here to help. Shoot me a message or give me a call at 501-303-4203. My team and I will help you discover all of your loan options and help you make the best decision for you and your family. Thank you for watching this week's video. I hope this answers some of your questions about buying a home. Make sure to like this video and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you next time.